Hello good day viewers. In this tutorial we are going to find a solution to this nice Diophantine equation 4 to the power of x minus 36 to the power of y equal to 28. We are looking for the values of x and y for which both x and y are natural numbers. Alright, let's get started. You should know that 4 can be written as 2 squared, right? So we can write this as 2 squared raised to the power of x minus 36 is the same thing as 6 squared. So we have 6 squared raised to the power of y, and this is equal to 28. And you know, according to one of the laws of indices, we can switch these exponents. So we can write this as 2 to the power of x all raised to the power of 2 minus 6 to the power of y all raised to the power of 2, and this is equal to 28. If you observe, this is just difference of two squares, which we can factorize as 2 to the power of x minus 6 to the power of y. You multiply it by 2 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of y. This still equal to 28. Now we have two factors multiplying each other, and the result is 28. Let us examine these numbers carefully. Any even number raised to the power of natural number will still give us even number. Therefore, this is even, all of these numbers are even numbers. And you should know that the sum and the difference of two even numbers will give us an even number. Therefore, this is an even number. This is also an even number. And you know the product of two even numbers will give us even number. And you know that this is also an even number. That is the first condition. And secondly, because we have subtraction here, it implies that this number right here is greater than this number. So we are going to think of two factors of 28 that are even, such that the first one is smaller than the second one. That is what we are going to do next. And the only two possible numbers are going to give us 2 multiplied by what? 14. These are the only two even numbers you can multiply to get 28, where the first one is smaller than the second one. And hence, we are going to conclude that this is equal to 2, while this is equal to 14. So we have 2 to the power of x minus 6 to the power of y equal to 2, and 2 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of y equal to 14. This is equation 1, and this is equation 2. Now, I would like to add these two equations together. Let's add them. If we add these two equations together, we have 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x, making 2 of them, right? 2 of 2 to the power of x. If you add the middle terms, you're going to obtain 0. You add to the right-hand side, you have 16. We can divide both sides by 2. We have 2 to the power of x equal to 16 divided by 2, which is 8. And 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3. So 2 to the power of x equal to 2 to the power of 3. Since the bases are the same, it implies that even the exponents are also the same. Therefore, x equal to 3. So how can we find the value of y? We can subtract equation 1 from equation 2. What I mean here, we have 2 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of y equal to 14. And the first equation is 2 to the power of x minus 6 to the power of y equal to 2. Now this time around, we are going to subtract. From left to right, this minus this will give us 0. This minus this will turn to plus. We have 2 of this 6 to the power of y. This is equal to 14 minus 2 is 12, right? Now we can divide both sides by 2. Therefore, 6 to the power of y equal to 12 divided by 2 equal to 6. And you know, naturally 6 can be raised to the power of 1. Since the bases are the same, it implies that y is equal to 1. So therefore, x equal to 3 and y equal to 1. But you can always check them in the main equation to see whether this is true. Our main equation is 4 to the power of x minus 36 to the power of y equal to 28. 4 to the power of x minus 36 to the power of y equal to 28, where y is 1 and x equal to 30. So we have 4 to the power of 30 minus 36 to the power of 1, which is still 36. And 4 to the power of 30 is 64, so we have 64 minus 36. And 64 minus 36 is definitely equal to 28, which we have to the right. And hence, the values of x and y are 3 and 1 respectively. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.